What is going on, everybody? Alright, today we are draining the oil out of a chain case in the case 1845 chain case. So on the bottom there is this pipe cap, kind of a square shape. You can use a set of you can use a crescent wrench to get it off. It's not that that hard. This thing has a couple gallons in it, I'm guessing. So this is probably going to go poorly. We'll see if we can go slow. Oh yeah, that's some good material there. Yeah. Got my buddy over there trying to start a hot saw. Yeah, that's some good looking stuff. You see that? Nicely done. So we'll let that drain for a second. I think my container only holds a gallon, so I probably won't get it all. So we'll see if we can get the plug back in it. Got her started. A buddy of mine brought it to me, and I think it's been, I think it said a year and a half or 2 years since it's ran. And Dakota just did a carb clean on it and fresh fuel. Good job. Okay. So we'll see if we can. It's not as full as I thought it was, so we'll take it back off and let it drain some more. Yeah, look at that stuff. That's what happens when oil or your water gets in your hydraulic oil, which I think this case is supposed to take 1030 motor oil, but I could be wrong. I'll have to check that. Alright, that's gotta be enough. Gotta be full. So, alright, I'm going to dump this in my container, and we'll be right back. Alright, we're back. So we filled 5 quarts. So let's go for round 2. So we'll drain that, and then we'll get our, let's see how much. I don't have any more empty jugs, so we'll have to just fill this container and see how much we can get. The case is about half full still, so I'm guessing there's 3 or 4 gallons in this thing. This went down quite a bit, but there's still about probably 2 inches of oil in this, and this entire housing has oil in it. So only have about 4 or 5 quarts. So we'll cap that, and according to case specs, 4 to 5 quarts of 10W30 dumped directly in this housing. And once we get it all drained, we will do that. So alright guys, this is going to take a lot longer than I thought. So we will end it here. You guys get the point. Alright guys, take it easy.